Hi, this is Mike Callahan, Dr. FileFinder, and welcome to your Butterscotch.com tutorial on how to change the settings for your home button on your iPhone. So on your iPhone, we're going to tap on Settings. Let's do that. And then under Settings, we're going to tap on General. And then under General, we're going to tap on Home. Here under Home button, you can select whether you want touching the Home button to bring up your phone favorites, do your iPod, or just do the regular Home. And you can also turn on iPod controls, which show you iPod controls when you're playing music. So that's changing the settings of your home button, and that's all there is to it.